to make an alligator. Cut that there. Cut there. Oh, man. And eat that monkey up. How many?
That's 2.
2 little monkeys swinging through to the milk alligator. Cut there. Cut there. Hello, Focus Fred. And snap that monkey up.
But do Little Bunny Foo Foo.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, you do. Little bunny foo foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and popping them on the head. You remember that part, huh?
Yeah. I don't know the next part.
Okay.
What's the next part?
I don't know it now. I forgot. Sing him another one.